Storm Door Guy here, and today I'm going to do a review of the Larson Platinum full view door. So let's get into this. This is a black door with a matte black straight handle right here. The Larson Platinum is actually a surface mount door. That means instead of wrapping around the brick molding trim right here, it bolts to the face of it. So this door actually sticks out by about an inch or so. Let me get the tape measure here. You can see it sticks out about an inch past the trim. That also means that it juts out about an inch past the threshold as well. Again, this is the surface mount door. This is a dual pane of glass with a plastic laminate in between. This is the security door. You got a key lock on the exterior. The thing I like about the Platinum models are their 3-point locking systems. So there's actually 3 points of contact. To lock this door, you have to pull up on the door handle. When you do that, there's a hook that comes right out of the door right here. Pull up on the handle and that hook comes out. There's another one down here at the bottom. Pull up on the door handle and those hooks come out. And they kind of look like this in the lock mechanism. There's the door latch and then the bottom hook right there. Now these two hooks latch right into these pre-mounted gray plastic parts in the door frame. This is where they connect. This door also has Larson's patented hidden closer. So to open this door and lock it into place, you just push the door till you hear the pop and the door stays propped open. It's a very nice feature because when you pull it, when you release it, the door just closes smoothly and steadily. All right. Let's take a look at this hidden door closer in a little more depth. Get on the ladder here. So this hidden door closer has one point of contact in the header right here, and this gray bar locks onto the closer right here. It is a little inconvenient adjusting the speed of the door. There's a little screw right here that allows you to tighten or loosen tension and make the door go faster or slower. All right. So that's the positives of the door. Let's go over some of the negatives. One, you always have to pull up on the handle in order to lock the door. If you don't do that, you won't be able to lock it. Number two, sometimes the hidden door closer up here can go bad, and then the door closes very, very fast. I call it the guillotine model because it may take off an arm. And then also, you can't open this door just halfway. With the hidden closer, you have to open the door all the way or not at all. Also, there's no expander at the bottom of this door. So there's not a piece that moves up and down to close up gaps. And this weather stripping right here is actually built into the door. So if it were to ever fail, you can't replace this piece. You have to replace the whole door. Also, there is a threshold extension piece here because this is a surface mount door. I want to cover up any gaps or anything like that. And there's little plastic pieces that slide. These sometimes melt or wear out. So there's the positives and the negatives of this door. Overall, I'd say it's about 4 out of 5 stars. Great for security. Good luck for anybody who wants to get through it. For this and more tips, you're welcome to watch more videos, subscribe to my channel, or visit me at stormdoorguy.com.